Two bills have been introduced at the state capitol to address youth mental health. One would require suicide prevention training for all classroom teachers, and a second would create the position of Director of Comprehensive Mental Health within the Department of Education. Area legislators and law enforcement are involved. At a press conference at the Capitol this week, a group of state lawmakers, mental health experts, and Blaine's police chief spoke about the need behind strengthening school-based mental health.
School districts are naming student mental health as a top concern. And school support personnel, like social workers, psychologists, nurses, and counselors, have testified about how they don't have the resources to meet the needs of our students.
Suicide is the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 34, and the overall suicide rate has increased 31% since 2001.
And the mental health of our children and youth is worsening. We hear it from parents, teachers, coaches, and we hear it from the youth themselves, especially through the student survey. 13% of 8th, 9th, and 11th graders have seriously considered suicide within the last year, with 4% actually attempting.
Blaine's police chief, Brian Padani, has been one of the local leaders discussing the issue and working for change.
We've done a number of things up in Blaine to work in partnership with our schools, and unfortunately, this is not a police problem. This isn't a school problem. This isn't a home problem. A lot of times, problems at home are part of the problem in general. This is a societal problem. This is something that affects all of us, and this is certainly something that affects our youth to a great degree.
The bills currently have bipartisan support and are starting to go through committee process. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline's phone number is 1-800-273-8255. The Lifeline provides free, confidential support for people in distress or crisis. It is open 24 hours a day.